welcome to our open house at 16 Fallingbrook Woods. I'm Linda Chu with Sotheby's International Realty, and follow me. Hi, Julia.
Hi, Linda. Hi, I'm Julia with Sotheby's International Realty. Come on in. We'd love to show you 16 Fallingbrook Woods.
Wow, this is amazing. Look at all that glass into this beautiful backyard with a pool. Is it heated, Julia?
It is heated. It's actually a saltwater pool with quite a new heat system and pump in the back. And you can see here that this particular glass door opens up so you can bring the outside in and enjoy having family events here.
This backyard, you feel like you're at the cottage. You're surrounded by beautiful trees. It's a partial ravine lot, so you get a lot of privacy from the two sides. There's lots of space for entertaining. They've had a lot of parties here, and it's a great place to entertain, have dinner, do barbecues. I'll show you the back right now. To my right is a storage room for pool equipment, toys, and accessories. This is where it extends, if you can see beyond. There's approximately 12 feet, and you could extend the fence back if you wanted to.
All right, come on in. Let's have a look at this fantastic living room. As you can see, lots of beautiful warm wood tones throughout this property. You'll see on the floor, these lovely exotic wood floors are Sotheby floors. And this room is large enough that you can have a fantastic dinner party with plenty of space for lots of guests. Of course, in the summertime, you can open up this door right here and have people walk out and enjoy the space, and then come on back in, nice and warm. And then of course, speaking of warm, we have this fantastic working wood-burning fireplace. It's floor to ceiling acid etched steel, and this is a working fireplace. And of course, we have this lovely spot here to put in your firewood, which actually just looks beautiful throughout the year. And it brings us actually to this gorgeous expanse of custom cabinets. And these custom cabinets are made of 3 different types of wood. They're made of Macor, Teneo, and rosewood. And they have beautiful insert pieces that you're able to have all kinds of ample storage throughout this space. And it's beautiful because it's functional and beautiful at the same time. And I would say that's probably one of the real strengths of this particular property, is that it is functional and beautiful. And of course, these built-ins are complete with a gorgeous bar. This has a lovely space for you to tuck away your alcohol or whatever you happen to want to tuck away in the bar. That brings you into this space. You'll see this nice home office is tucked away, looking, beautifully matched in with the rest of this wood. And then we get into this fantastic room. And of course, this room is absolutely perfect for an art lover. And you can see that our owners absolutely adore their artwork. So, in my favorite room in the house, one of the things you definitely want to have if you are having a quiet night with your family is a little bit of privacy. So what's great about that is that you can use these electric blinds and create privacy and also darkness if you wanted to use this space as a home theater.
The floor-to-ceiling glass is amazing, Julia.
Isn't that incredible? There's actually 60 feet of all through this property of floor-to-ceiling glass. So you have the opportunity to have tons of the light, natural light coming into this property.
Yeah, you feel like you're right outside.
Absolutely.
You can be inside, nice and warm and cozy, and enjoy being almost like you're outdoors.
Indeed. You'll see upstairs as well too, because this particular property is sitting halfway down Fallingbrook Woods. You'll see that we are in this lovely vantage point where we can see many trees upstairs as well. So all of the seasons that change, you're bringing that outdoors in, which is quite nice. Okay,
Julia,
yes,
are those closets?
they are. These are the front hall closets, but of course they are absolutely unique in that they actually form a sculptural element on both the dining room side and the front entry side, tucked away so that you don't really even see any handles, but you have all kinds of space for your guests and you to put your coats and boots and shoes and other things you need to tuck away. And of course, it's great to have a first floor powder room. So in the first floor powder room, we have 3 different types of marble. And this piece here is a single cut slab of marble that actually has real fossils embedded inside of it. So it's quite a showpiece in the main floor bathroom.
So as soon as you enter, to your left is this amazing kitchen. It's for gourmet chefs. You notice the high backsplash and they're full slabs, as well as the countertops. The kitchen cabinets are Valcucini, a beautiful Italian brand. They all have glass fronts. All the appliances are hidden. The fridge, it's a Thermador fridge. We have 2 freezer drawers. They're sub-zero. A huge pantry. Lots of storage. Okay, let's head upstairs, up these steps, which are made out of sapelli wood.
Throughout the second floor, we have white herringbone floors. And you'll see that throughout the second floor, we have these lovely solid wood 8-foot doors that are lacquered white. Absolutely gorgeous. And we have 3 bedrooms up here. So let's have a peek at the 3 bedrooms. So this is one of the 3 bedrooms on the second floor. This bedroom is a perfect size for a teenager or a home office with a spare room. Big, beautiful space, windows on both sides of this room, and of course a double closet with plenty of built-ins. Lots of closet space.
Wow, look at windows on both sides of the room.
So this 3rd bedroom has a fantastic view over the backyard and enjoys those same white oak herringbone floors. I really like this second floor bathroom. Great heated floors underneath. Lovely live edge wood for our countertop, and this clever feature, which I really love. When you step out of this bathroom, if you want some privacy, you can actually move this mirror to create a little bit of privacy in this space. But of course, the fantastic view that is enjoyed from this window, I personally love looking right through it.
Here you have the master bedroom. It's a great size, lots of room for sitting and reading. Also, it's connected by closets, including a vanity, built-in vanity with storage, a window with a view, lots of drawers for small items, as well as pull-outs, hang your scarves and belts. Built-in drawers and closets for all your clothes. They connect into the ensuite, which has a heated floor, porcelain tiles, freestanding tub, his and her vanities.
I love the detail. Show them the detail, Linda, in the sink.
There are these lace inserts that are beautiful. Here we have an open shower with 2 rain head showers. There's a strip drain and no need for glass to enclose the shower. Here we can come out to the deck, this deck is great to sit and have your morning coffee. You can overlook the street and see what's going on. Separate toilet and wash basin. The toilet is a washlet toilet with an automatically cover that goes up and down and seconds as a bidet. There's actually over 30 feet of closet space on this ensuite. So lots of room to store all your clothes, shoes, accessories.
So in the basement, we have a lovely floor that has an extra bathroom, a workout room, which we could also double as an extra guest room. And throughout this basement floor, we have these lovely warm cork floors. Come and have a peek at this bathroom. Another washlet toilet. And the exercise room, which again, I think really perfectly doubles as a spare room, an extra office. There's plenty of closet space. This room can be whatever your family needs it to be. People who live in the beach are typically very active and outdoorsy, and what's great about this house is that there's plenty of closet space for sporting equipment, camping equipment, lots of pull-out drawers and shelving, and this runs full height throughout this hallway. And this hallway leads back here to a really comfortable, warm family area for relaxing at the end of the day.
Yeah, you can watch a lot of movies out here.
Definitely your
I
movie
can see
spot.
that.
For sure, this is the movie spot, for sure. And what's great about this little spot here is there's an entrance to the side entrance to this property, and you can actually get around the outside of both of the sides of this property from the exterior, which is really convenient for bringing things around when you're doing work in the back. And then this leads out to our garage. So this is easily a 2-car garage. You could have lots of bike storage, outside lawn tools, equipment, whatever you need to store, there's plenty of storage space of the garage. All right, and now, finally, 2 of my favorite places in this house. Number 1, we have this gorgeous, brand new sauna, which works well with movie night, comfy, warm night. And of course, the movie night wouldn't be complete without a visit to the 1,500 bottle wine cellar. Easily many people's favorite room in the house. And now we can head back upstairs. This property really has a beautiful juxtaposition of form and function. I think it's one of the best parts of this modern home. It really is warm and inviting, and one of the reasons that it's really warm and inviting is that the owners spent so much time and care hand choosing every single finish and feature throughout the property from around the world. The warm wood tones throughout the property are really evident, and you can really feel how they took the time to choose through the cabinets and frames. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous property when it comes to those levels of detail. And finally, the glass. 60 feet of glass throughout this property brings you the outside in every room, a gorgeous view of trees and nature. It's like a cottage in the city, so you have to come and have a look.
Yeah. Thanks again.